Hello everyone, it's a lovely day to talk about Ocean Black Fin in LG Dual Cool air conditioners, a feature that gives this AC long life.
Wow, I think that's such an amazing feature. But can it withstand any kind of environment around?
Well, yes, the new Ocean Black Fin in LG Dual Cool offers unbeatable protection against humidity, dust, sand, smoke and chemicals present in our surroundings. It also gives us protection against harmful UV rays.
Oh, that sounds interesting. But how does it do that?
It is very simple. In LG Dual Cool AC, the proven and tested Ocean Black coating is sandwiched between the fin and top hydrophilic layer. Compared to conventional ACs, LG has increased the thickness of both fin and hydrophilic layer. This results in their longer lifespan and superior performance. In fact, as per the tests, where a bare fin starts rusting in 50 hours and the golden fin in 100 hours, the special black fin can withstand even after 500 hours. You know, this 1 week of lab test is equivalent to 27 years of actual usage. Now that your AC can bear any environment outside, you can be assured of its long life and superior performance. So, no matter wherever you live, LG Dual Cool AC will always live up to your expectations.
LG Dual Cool air conditioners.
Life's good.